Menteri rangba akajala ukan rat ki sangma haka handru tarik leber haja art posau. Ula ong baga Jingthmu ka sorkar bantai pen Thymmai ka Soso Tham Auditorium Kaba Pura kala Pulom no hakitu kisnam namar bawan u COVID-19. Yakani ula kran haka jingpli umau nongrim bantai Thymmai ka State Central Library Complex Shillong haka jingalang ha Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong baladan lang Menteri ka tanat lariti uba polling do. Menteri rangba ula ong bawat la kata ka sorkar kalala ban penbhai ka auditorium ka balasa haka jinglong rim laslam ulaong bahapo ka scheme CM11 ka sorkar kalabu thong bantay laipo tali ki yeng pet film haka jala ban kentiu ki sap bat kiktien jong ka jala kamtam ki nong shna film na kani ka jaka shwaya kani uba pol ula penbena ba ka National Library Board ka bala bepisa point laipo lai klur ban penbha bat penthamai ya ka State Library Complex
also will be given in terms of movies that will be played that are local. And not only that, you're aware that under CM Elevate, which is a very, very dynamic and a very, very aggressive entrepreneurship program that we're doing, we are going to be promoting 30 movie theaters throughout the state. And anybody who wants to start a movie theater, 35% subsidy is given by the state government. Which means that suppose the movie theater is going to cost you 3 crores to construct, we will give you 1 crore out of that, just like that. And 30 such movie theaters will come out throughout the state. We want to promote it in district headquarters, and this is done precisely to promote again our art and culture, promote our movies and our languages, and this is something that we're really pushing. So I really hope that apart from this movie theater that's going to come out here, we will have more of these theaters coming out in other parts of the state also. And hence my point being that we are doing a lot to promote the film industry out here and to promote the art and culture aspect and to promote our language aspect. And all of these, as I said, are interconnected. And we are not just doing things on a piecemeal basis, but there is a larger plan and larger strategy around what every single action that we do will lead to the larger achievement of the larger goal that we have in our mind. So I won't go into all of those details. Those are the boring part. So it's I don't think I need to go into all those details. But I just wanted to share it with you so that you can understand that that there's a sense of purpose and a plan with which we are moving forward. And hence, I'm very happy once again that this particular project is materializing, and I hope that we'll be able to complete it in a time-bound manner. And as I said, that I would look forward to more proposals coming in to see how we can make this place more vibrant. This is the State Central Library. There's a library section in it also. So how can we promote that aspect? How can we create more facilities out here so that we can promote library, reading, books? We have started the literary fest in our state. Every year we have it along with the cherry blossom. But can we have something more where we have the writers meet and different kind of competitions where we are calling writers to compete with each other? I think this place has the potential to be able to host these kind of different programs and get our youngsters interested in all these kind of things. And of course, Bapol, who is a writer himself, who could be the person who could actually, as the right person to lead this. And I really hope that the Art and Culture Department would explore these possibilities and make this happen. First anniversary of the MDA to government, but it also is the 6th anniversary for the MDA government as a whole, because it was exactly on March 6th, 2018 that the government in MDA 1 was sworn in and MDA 2 was a year back. But it has been a very, very long and very, very exciting, challenging journey, and we have seen many ups and many downs. But of course, looking back at this past 6 years, there are a lot of things that we are very happy to see that things have moved forward in the right direction in spite of the challenges. And like I had mentioned in the budget speech when I had spoken in the reply, that we have laid a very strong foundation where now we are on the path of actually moving forward and taking the state forward to new heights. Process that we have laid down in governance today, without going into too much of details, I'm happy to tell you that in almost every sector that we have, we are seeing a very, very strong growth when it comes to the overall performance and economic development of the state of Meghalaya. Whether it's the road sector, whether it's the water sector, even in the power sector, you will see that we had a lot of challenges. But I can assure you that in the days to come, even this particular year, you will see a huge difference in the overall power scenario in our state. And in the years to come, I hope that we will be able to give a permanent resolution to this entire power crisis that we face. And let me assure him and the department that not only the additional funds to make this particular phase of the project successful, whatever additional funds required to do other projects also within this campus, we are happy to support. We will definitely give all the necessary funds required. This must become a center where we have talented youth coming in and being able to showcase their talent to the world, exchange with each other, learn from each other, and it should become a very lively campus. That's really, I think, what we should try to do. So we can have so many other things. There's enough space in this area. I hope that the plans will come out in that angle, and I hope that we'll be able to make this into a really happening, lively, and a vibrant place where different forms of art and culture can really come in and can really be explored and improved. And as I said, we can have our youngsters show their talent. We thought it prudent to make use of these funds that have come. And also, as I mentioned to the Chief Minister, wherever there is shortfall, which certainly will arise, for the Chief Minister to be kind enough to part with some more funds in order for us to be able to have both a space for drama and plays here and also for a cineplex. When it comes to plays and drama, Shillong has had a rich legacy. It has been a fertile ground for evening entertainment. As a college kid, I would recall that this hall was always packed, and you had performances by the Thymmai Theatrical Center, the RTT, the HTCWO, and for a dash of humor, there was the Seng Birya Ukasi Sbok. Now all that has died. That culture has died, and we need to reawaken and give it a fresh lease of life.